One of the most common questions people ask when they want to start learning to code or when they have just started is which programming language they should start with. In this video, we will see how you can really determine the right programming language for you. We will take a look at the most popular ones and make sure to watch until the end so that you can actually make a decision on what programming language is best for you. Well, welcome to Code the Future, this is Alan, and today I will try to clarify for you the dilemma you had before clicking the video. I want to start by saying that the first question you need to ask is what you want to build or what kind of developer you want to be before you can determine which language you should learn. And now you may say, great Alan, another question I can't answer. I get it, but please, let me explain. So there are different disciplines you can get into as a programmer, depending on what applications you want to build. There is web development, you can build mobile apps or desktop apps. There is game development, data science, you can build Internet of Things applications, and there are also other specific disciplines. But today, let's take a closer look at the main ones. For web development, JavaScript dominates the front end, while Python, C# and Java are strong in the backend. Mobile development is best served by Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, and there are cross-platform tools like Flutter and React Native. For desktop development, C# and Swift are ideal for Windows and macOS respectively, while Java and Python offer cross-platform capabilities. In game development, C++ and C# are top choices for their performance and their ease of use. Then we have data science, which relies heavily on Python and R for their extensive libraries, while SQL is crucial for data manipulation. Now, knowing all this, you should have a preference for what you want to build and perhaps already have an idea of the right programming language to start with. But, however, let me finish. Maybe you don't even know what you want to build, right? Maybe you just want to get into the programming world first. In this case, you should consider starting with one of the most popular programming languages that most people choose as their first language. In this category, I would include Python, JavaScript, Java, and C#. Now, let's see what makes each one of these special. Python is considered the easiest programming language to learn, with the simplest syntax of all. Python can be used for a variety of applications, from web development to data science and automation. JavaScript is known for creating dynamic websites and also supports full-stack development with frameworks like Node.js, allowing developers to use a single programming language for both front-end and back-end development. Java is renowned for its platform independence, following the "write once, run anywhere" philosophy, and is heavily used in enterprise applications. Last but not least, C# is a powerful and versatile object-oriented language, offering modern development capabilities for web, desktop, and mobile applications. Just as a quick reminder, if you have been getting value so far, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Now, back to where we left off. The information so far should have brought more clarity to you. Probably there are still some of you thinking, believe it or not, Alan, I have not chosen yet. Well, then just choose one of the four mentioned above. Most people get started with a programming language either because they learn it in school, they see a few job postings requiring that specific language, or they hear about it from someone. Based on what we discussed about Python, JavaScript, C# and Java, pick whichever you think suits you best. You cannot go wrong with any choice. After learning one language, it will be much easier for you to learn others if you decide to switch in the future. The syntax will change, but the core concepts and the way things work will remain largely the same. Now, after choosing your first programming language, make sure to follow the appropriate guide for your next steps, as this is very important. The video on the screen will guide you through the exact roadmap you need to follow regardless of the language you choose. I look forward to seeing you in the next video then. Goodbye for now, and thank you so much for tuning in.